Another common accident scenario we see is referred to as the right hook accident. These types of collisions occur when a car passes us on our left, then takes a sharp right turn, cutting us off and hitting us as they turn. As the car passes us, for whatever reason, they either don't see us or they don't realize we are just slightly behind them, and they quickly make a right turn, causing a collision. I have handled a tragic case where a cyclist was pulled under the wheels of a turning box truck and was killed. It's for this reason the right hook is one of the deadlier type of car versus bike accidents we see. What can we cyclists do to reduce our risk of being injured in such an accident? We should ride farther to the left, causing cars to more decisively pass us. Even if we're cut off, we'll be in a position farther to the left and have a head start on swerving to avoid a collision. Also, treat every intersection with extreme caution. Slow or even stop before entering an intersection, and be aware of what traffic is behind you as you are of the traffic in front of you. Massachusetts law states that automobile drivers, when passing a bicyclist near an intersection or driveway where they want to turn right, cannot turn unless they are at a safe distance from the cyclist and they can make the turn at a reasonable and proper speed. That's Chapter 90, Section 14 of Mass General Laws.